In this video, I'm going to show you two different ways that you can add a clickable button in your Canva website. So you've got two options here. I'll show you both of them, but you want to consider both for different scenarios. So the first option, if you go to text, you can then go and add a text box, or you can go ahead and add a heading. Then go ahead and type in your button text. So let's say this is a buy now button. So I'm going to type in buy now. What we can do is we can highlight this text. We can then go to the text color, and I'm going to just change this to white. Now once we've done that, if we go ahead and then click on the text, we can go to effects, and then if you go to background, you can then see you've created a button like shape, which you can then change the roundness of the edges, increase or decrease the spread and the transparency, as well as the color here. You can go ahead and change that to whatever you need. So that is one way. The next way is to go ahead and click on elements, and once you're in this window you can search for shape. So go ahead and make that search, then go to see all, and here you've got all of these different shapes that you can use as a button. Drag it on the screen, and then we can add text here. You can obviously do the same. You can customize the text as well as the color of the button and text, and that is how you can add buttons. Now let's make them clickable. So all we're going to do to make this button clickable, we're going to right click on it. We're then going to go to a link, and then you can either link to a page that you've got on your website, or if you wanted to enter in a custom link, I could type out here http:// and I'll just send this button here to google.com. We can go ahead and then click done and done again, and now this link goes to Google. Now, if this underline was annoying you, you could get rid of this by clicking on the three dots and then clicking underline. And now you can see this is still a working button and it's going to go to Google. You can then do this exact same thing for your other button if you've used this style, but that's how I would do it. I hope that video helped you out.